Tonight's the night. Dyno night. I'm just warming Miley up. It's 5:40 something. Soon I'll be heading out. Yeah, I'm not shooting for any crazy numbers here. If I can get 320 on this one, I'll be a happy camper. Hopefully I make it to the Dyno shop without hurting the motor. I'll just keep a steady pace. No crazy driving. Hey, you might want to drive this.
It's a Nippon Racing turbo piston, K20.
I better look like I'm busy if you're filming them, huh?
What do you think? We're almost ready to race. Maybe in a week.
This used to have the K series, right?
No. This is Roy's car. I don't know you remember Roy.
Do you have the nuts for the transmission mounts?
I'm missing Roy, yeah. I have these ones right here.
Pretty cool setup. I should I should do one of these.
Major intercooler looking right there.
Yeah.
Look at that fucker.
God dang.
I made it all. What do you think?
It goes sits on
You
top
gotta put
of that.
water on it or no?
No. I made this. What do you think?
It's not allowed. It's permitted in the class.
Oh, okay.
You can't have air to water, water to air.
I'm using 240-pound injectors.
Double.
Double, yeah. Mechanical pump. Those are expensive. They're like 800 bucks, 900 bucks.
I know. Tell me about it.
Yeah. I think they're like $900.
I don't have deep pockets like you.
So that's 1,800. An injector.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I made all.
My supporters. disconnected the hose that controls the top part, the wastegate, because we wanted to know how much spring we got on there. I forgot how much I have on to begin with. So we just ran it through the spring. Busca.
Gotta take apart the wastegate.
Oh. I think it's good, huh?
You have the spark plug gap?
Same?
The wastegate and the position where the wastegate is. Wastegate ko yan? Anong
Muscat. So it's not a good placement, I guess what I did.
Yeah, either yung wastegate nyo
The placement,
or yung position round. 14 pounds? Well, I put a 15-pound Busca. So either the replacement of where he put it? Yeah. Yung lugar naman or the wastegate.
There's not enough priority airflow to the wastegate.
Okay, you unhook that.
Where are your bell lights at?
They're right here by the. It's on top of the weld, the gas tank over here. By the.
I need the brake caliper ones. Them shits hit on there nice.
It's special. This thing spools too quick.
pretty good, huh?
Too good.
You just can't control it.
Yeah, you can't control it when it's
Pulsar,
spools.
baby, that's Pulsar.
Is it?
Yeah,
That's China.
that shit's still spinning.
Pulsar's such a deal though, it's crazy.
Still expensive. They're not that.
T-Set, T51R and all that shit though?
Yeah,
Jeez.
$1,000.
Well, it's like 700.
This one
3582.
doesn't have it.
Could be the wastegate.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's the only reason. It's
but it opens when you blow on it.
Yeah.
Both tripping.
Big time.
Yeah.
Big time.
It couldn't bleed off enough. Yeah.
Take the spring out. Maybe the spring, like you said. Cool it off. Get a smaller spring.
That's what it is. Let's. Same thing. In an angle. So it should be a 45 degree, 90 degree. Yeah. Okay.
But they didn't even line size.
Okay. We come up with a solution here. What I thought about in the beginning about bush creeping. Yes. I made a mistake of making the
Wastegate flange.
wastegate flange going up. So I should have just went straight. That's what I'm gonna do. Just cut it up and attach it somehow.
Yeah, you have.
90 degree this time.
Yeah, you have plenty of clearance. You have
But
plenty of
it
clearance.
goes pretty quick. It made about almost 300, and I think I'm gonna end up coming back. Hot day. It's not not good. Anyway.
At least it's still in one piece.
Yeah. Thanks to David, and we'll see how it goes on next time around.
Can you buy?
Thought I heard something scraping.
600?
Oh shit.
You're having a
I wish.
problem. You wreck your car? That's the fucking long. War roll. Yeah, but no, I thought that was a wiring. That's cool, sir, bro. Told you, bro. You selling your tool?
Yeah, my friend gonna buy it. 700. Still at 20.
Still mystery, bro.
Alright.
How much that thing make?
$350.
350.
Fuck, you leave it like that?
Leave it like that.
Good.
Okay. Who's Creek? Okay, we came up with a plan, and he's just gonna clean it up, and I'm gonna take it home and do some more fixing on the turbo manifold, make it bigger. That's no bueno. Turbo is making it runs too fast. It has not been a good dyno session like I hope it would be, but it's satisfying enough to see that the motor, to see that the engine lasted through the whole session. All we did is nothing but fixing the wastegate and all. So it's just cleaning things up, making things, everything is drivable, so I can take it home, and I will do more fixing on the turbo manifold, come back again, and we'll see how it goes. It made like about less than 300. Over boosting.
Runs pretty good. Man, it's good to be back on boost again. I'm sorry, man, but this is what it's all about right here, man.